It was said that during the regime of PTI, during the government of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, work on CPEC was very slow. Is it true?
There are all kinds of rumors, but if you go to the real working projects, you can say the Chinese people and Pakistan people, a lot of Pakistan people are working very hard and continuously to make the projects in progress.
So how can we face this disinformation and misinformation which is being created against Pakistan and China?
So I think you have a big responsibility to do more on this field.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you expect from Pakistani government to do for China or to do for the safety of the Chinese working in Pakistan?
We welcome the new government, and I'm sure the new government will continue to work with the Chinese government on this field. So we have confidence on the future good cooperation between the two governments. So we have confidence on the bilateral relations, and also we have confidence on the future of the CPEC.